Hi, my name is Chin Fan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use this die set for the hose and crimper to put a fitting on the hose. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is get the line you're trying to replace, find out what size line it is, how much pressure the line is supposed to be rated at, and then you're going to pick out your line and then cut it to the size using this saw. That's why you have to use bend it in place to measure the length and then just cut it. This line is already cut, so I'm not going to do it again. On the line itself, you can see the size of it. On here it's a little bit hard to tell, but it's going to be an 8 gauge and it's MT2. So you can go over here onto the crimper itself and you're going to look for 8 dash size and MT2. That's the description of the hose. It also has standard sizes on here as well. You move across here and you'll see the die set 733. This is the die that we're going to be using. It's a 733. But first you're going to go over here and look for the fitting. Since it's an 8 gauge, you're going to come over here and select the fitting that you need. It's going to be 8 gauge, the inside diameter, where it fits nice and snug. Make sure you have the right fitting for the correct thread, because there's female, male ends that you can select from. Next, you're going to take the fitting, put it in here. As you can see inside the fitting itself, it has threads that will catch on the teeth. Try spinning it in there, nice and tight, just like so. Next, you're going to take the die set. Place it in here. And we're going to put the hose through the bottom. As you can see, this die is not in good shape, so just bear with me. Once you have the die set in place, make sure that it's lined correctly. Put the top plate on. Once you have the top plate on, you just turn on the machine. I'm not actually going to do it. Turn it on, but then after that, you just crimp it down and then just release it. And it should be good. That's how you make a new hose fitting.